Want to add a sleek, modern glass effect to your website, one that's both eye-catching and interactive? In this quick guide, we'll walk through how HTML, CSS, and a few smart tweaks can bring your design to life. HTML structure. We start with the opening HTML tag, telling the browser this is HTML5. Inside the body, a background container holds 3 full-width images. Right in the center sits a clickable link. This will become the glass effect circle. The layout? Minimal, just a background plus 1 clickable glass element. CSS styling. This is where it all comes together. CSS variables control the blur, color tint, size, and more, making changes quick and easy. The background images stretch full screen, positioned behind everything else. The glass link is a perfect circle, locked right in the center of the page. A backdrop filter applies blur and saturation to whatever sits behind it. Borders and shadows add depth, creating that frosted glass feel. Hover over it, and the circle scales up slightly for a smooth, interactive touch. Before and after pseudo elements create a simple plus icon inside the circle. And just like that, your glass effect is ready. Accessibility and visual controls. To make it even more user-friendly, I've added controls for on-off toggle for the glass effect, size adjustments for height and width, border thickness control for a subtle white edge, blur intensity control, saturation control from full color to grayscale, contrast adjustment for better readability, glass tint color option, tint strength control for opacity, icon color option, shadow toggle to enable or disable the box shadow. Want to explore these settings without writing a single line of code? Check them out on GitHub. The link is in the description. Don't forget to try this effect. See you in the next video.